Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utelefon. Today I want to make plantain, fried plantain and egg. So this plantain here, they call it Indian banana. So this is what I'm using, but in Nigeria we call it plantain. So now I'm gonna peel the plantain. So I'm gonna slice it into small pieces like this. So this plantain, you don't need to wash when you slice it. You just open it and very simple. You continue it like that. How is that simple? Very easy, very simple. I finished slicing the plantain, as you can see. So this is the sizes. So this plantain, you don't need to wash it after you peel it off. So you don't need to. I've never seen my mom wash plantain after peeling. So we always make like this. Maybe there's a reason for it, but I don't know. So it's time to fry the plantain. I'm gonna add my oil in the pot. I guess the oil is very hot now, so I'm going to add my plantain to the oil. So you have to turn it to check it so that it will not burn. You turn it around to make the other side also cooked. See that? It is very easy to fry. It's not even up to 2 seconds. After finish frying my plantain, so I'm gonna fry my onion to make egg sauce. I'm gonna add my tomato. I'm gonna add my chili pepper. I'll add my oregano. I've had my margarine. I'll add my seasoning. So stir it together. I'm gonna add a little salt. So I'm gonna let it cook for 3 minutes. Then we'll come back to it. So after that, I'm gonna stir it. Then I will add my egg. So you break your egg, you mix it together, then you just pour it in and stir it. So guys, my food is ready. As you can see, it's very easy. It's not even up to 20 minutes. I fried my plantain and make my egg sauce. So that is it. Very simple, and you can join me now. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to help someone. Thank you for watching. Bye.